In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the mobile version of your website using the Hostinger Website Builder. We all know that having a website that's mobile-friendly is no longer just nice to have. It's essential. With more users accessing sites via their smartphones, ensuring your site looks great and functions well on mobile devices is key. So let's dive into how you can easily make these mobile-specific adjustments in Hostinger. To start, you'll need to head over to the Hostinger website. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to hpanel.hostinger.com. This is where all the magic happens, as you'll be using Hostinger's intuitive interface to make your edits. Once you're logged in, hover over the dashboard to find your website listed there. It's the launch point for accessing the different editing tools Hostinger offers. Next, look for the option that allows you to enter the website builder. Once you're there, you'll notice an icon or a button that resembles a smartphone. This is your gateway to the mobile version edits. By clicking on this smartphone icon, you switch to a mobile view in Hostinger's Builder, enabling you to see firsthand how your website appears on phones. This is a crucial step, as it gives you a clear picture of what your visitors see when they access your site from their mobile devices. Now you're in mobile view. This is where you'll make any necessary changes. Pay close attention to elements like font size, button placement, and image formatting. Adjusting these can dramatically improve the user experience for mobile visitors. For instance, ensure texts are legible, buttons are easily clickable, and images load properly without compromising quality. Hostinger provides easy drag-and-drop functionalities to help you reposition or resize those elements seamlessly. Remember, while editing in mobile view, keep the user journey in mind. Consider what actions are most important for your visitors to take, and ensure those paths are intuitive and easy to follow. Check for any content that might appear cluttered or out of place. Often, content that looks great on a desktop screen might need tweaking to fit neatly on a mobile display. Once you've adjusted these elements and are satisfied with how the site looks on mobile, take a final walkthrough from start to finish. A kind of dress rehearsal. This ensures all changes flow smoothly together. Before you wrap up, don't forget to save and publish your changes to make them live on your site. And there you have it, an easy way to edit and optimize your website's mobile version using Hostinger's Website Builder. With these steps, your site is now well on its way to providing an excellent mobile-friendly experience.